Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Remote control stand fans are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best remote control stand fan from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Amazon Basics Dual Blade Stand Fan. 2-blade oscillating pedestal fan with automatic oscillation and adjustable height and vertical angle. Engineered for whisper quiet operation, high-quality silent AC motor works at low noise level. 3 power settings and 3 breeze modes, nature, sleep, normal, with wide oscillation for cooling medium to large rooms. Easy digital operation, auto on-off timer, and remote control for changing modes from across the room. 120 volt/60 watt power consumption. Number 4. Polonis Remote Control Stand Fan. New version, upgraded Polonis pedestal fan is equipped with a more powerful motor and high-quality blades. It makes cooling more efficient and energy-saving. This standing fan with 3 speed settings and 7-hour timer with auto shut-off for wide area cooling in medium to large rooms. It generates strong airflow to boost the cooling effect while operating at a low noise level in any room in your home. Wide angle oscillation. The 85 degrees wide oscillation angle provides versatility for personal or the entire family's use. The direction of the airflow could aim anywhere between the floor and the ceiling through tilting the angle of fan head. The wide-angle oscillation can accelerate air circulation and quickly cool the room in your home, helping to increase your comfort. Adjustable and easy to use. The user-friendly front operation panel and remote control makes it possible to obtain full range control over our product and provides a unique and customizable experience. The height of the fan can be adjusted between 3.5 to 4 feet, and the tilt-back head allows you to direct the airflow where you need it to provide comfort throughout your home or office. Durable and safe. The sturdy base provided additional stability for the fan during its operation. The built-in overheat protection automatically switches the fan off when the motor overheats. Number 3. Lasko Remote Control Stand Fan. 3 quiet, energy-efficient speeds allows this freestanding pedestal to provide a cooling breeze around the home or home office. Ideal for the bedroom, living room, or near your desk. Low, medium, and high speed make this well suited around the whole house. Adjustable height and tilt-back head gives you the ability to direct the cooling air right where you need it. The fan's stand or pedestal adjusts up or down, changing the fan's height, while the tilt-back head lets you aim the air towards the floor, ceiling, or anywhere in between. Widespread oscillation describes the action of the fan head moving from side to blow air throughout the area. Oscillation allows for the fan to provide ventilation for a wide area. Wireless remote and built-in timer make this fan an ideal choice over other fans. The ergonomically designed remote control allows you to control fan speed, timer and power automatically from a distance, while the built-in timer is programmable to shut the fan off automatic after 1 to 4 hours. Simple no-tools assembly means you'll have your fan assembled in no time. Simply follow the included instructions to assemble the base mount to the extension pipe, fan blades and grill, and you're done. Number 2. Poloni's 18-inch 5-blade stand fan. Intelligent Auto ECO Temperature Control, featuring an intelligent ECO temperature control sensor, which automatically increases or decreases the fan speed according to the room temperature for the most optimized setting and saves energy consumption. Number of speeds 5. Customizable cooling and remote control. The LED display is easy to read and features 4 modes, 5 speed settings, and a 7-hour programmable timer. Choose between normal mode, nature mode, eco mode, and sleep mode to adjust the fan according to your needs and personal preference. Also, select between the 5 adjustable speed settings either on the control panel or by using the included remote control. Wide oscillation angle and adjustable height. The 90 degrees oscillation angle and 24 degrees tilt angle will extend the wind coverage to every corner of the room. The height of the fan can be adjusted between 3.9 to 4.7 feet, and the tilt-back head allows you to direct the airflow where you need it to provide comfort throughout your home or office. Durable and safe. The sturdy base provides additional stability for the fan during its operation. The built-in overheat protection automatically switches the fan off when the motor overheats. Manufacturer warranty. With confidence in the quality of our products, Polonis offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty with your purchase of any of our products. Number 1. Rowenta Turbo Remote Control Stand Fan. Ultra Quiet Performance, 35 dB, A. Whisper quiet operation offers ultimate silence at each speed, ideal for home or office. Powerful oscillating airflow delivers exceptionally strong airflow, up to 2,436 cu a foot/min, oscillates for broad coverage, 16-inch diameter head and 5 effective blades, 5 speed settings, 3 speed settings, 2 speeds, including turbo boost for extra power and silent night mode for especially soundless operation. Electronic control panel includes an 8-hour timer and energy-saving mode, which automatically decreases the airflow until the fan reaches its most energy-efficient setting. Do not use gasoline, thinners, solvents, ammonias or other chemicals for cleaning. Compact remote control, sleek remote control with integrated onboard storage for added convenience. Note, the remote control is located at the cardboard that is covering the fan cage connection to the motor. It may also be located at the bottom of that piece of cardboard or flipped the other way. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.